I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right, and this pain doesn't go away. Yeah. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down, 'cause now I wait for you to say.
Good morning and welcome back to another vlog, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So you guys are probably thinking, why am I sitting in my car to do another intro? I like to normally do an intro outside, but today the weather is saying otherwise. Let me just turn the camera around and show you what the weather's like today. This is what the weather's like. It don't look that bad. It has settled down a bit, but the heavens just absolutely opened when I was getting into my car. So yeah, this is a delightful bit of weather today. It's been raining since, well, I woke up about 6 and it's been raining since then. From the ground, it looks like it's been raining most of the night. So I'm hoping it will settle down a bit, because I haven't done one of these videos for a while. Last time I done a video like this was East Kent. So I haven't been out of Lacey for about a month, maybe. So I was really looking forward to taking her out today, which I still am. I'm still going to obviously still take her out because I'm doing this video. But yes, I'm not looking forward to the rain. Anyway, bet you guys will enjoy, because you'll be sitting indoors, sitting wherever, in your office, wherever, watching this vlog. Nice and dry. Hopefully it'll be a nice sunny day when this vlog is posted. But today, when it is getting filmed, it's not the best. So I'm going to go to the yard. I'm not going to film getting Lacey in or anything. Might film her in the stable. But I need to run through that field and get her before getting absolutely saturated. I have got a clean pair of clothes, because I will be minging by the end of this ride. I'm going to stick Lacey in Wally's stable. Can you hear the rain now, guys? Can you just hear it? Yeah, it's getting heavier again. Why do we do these things? I've lost track of my ways. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm going to put Lacey in Wally's stable. She is going to be like saturated. I'm not even going to be able to groom, I don't think, because she's going to be minging. So I'm going to pick her feet out, get her ready as much as I can, get her rugs ready. That's the only thing when it rains. I have to get rugs, my clothes, everything. So get her rugs ready, get her saddle ready, and then wait for Lorraine to pick us up. And I will see you guys in the horse box. No doubt saturated, because I've had to walk through the field to get Lacey. And Lorraine will probably be saturated as well. But it's the joys of horses. So yeah, catch you guys in the horse box, and then it'll be from the GoPro from there. Wow, wow, wow. How crazy is this? Like, I live literally 10 minutes away from the yard. And yeah, it's been raining here, but nothing compared to what I've had at my house. So it was absolutely torrential, as you guys saw in the car literally 10 minutes ago. That was, I was driving to the yard, and it was easing up. I thought, yes, thank God for that. And the roads were absolutely swimming. So like, the roads are swimming. Look, I've even got, you see, I've even got my Wellingtons on. My wellies are on in August, for goodness sake. The roads are swimming. So I thought, we always get at the bottom of our lane at the yard, always get a massive puddle. So I thought, oh great, that's going to be huge. No, nothing. There is not even a puddle there. What the actual hell? And look, dry. I didn't think I'd be able to do this intro, because I thought I'd be running through the field to get Lace, but no, it's dry. And the ground's a bit wet, but I don't know. I don't know about this stupid weather in England. Literally 10 minutes down the road, it is absolutely pelting it down. 10 minutes the opposite way, and it's like this. But I'll take this all day long. We're really going to enjoy this ride. Look at the state of the weather. I think we should just drive back home. Look at it.
7 o'clock this morning.
Look at it.
Give me the option.
I know you did, but at 7 o'clock this morning it was drying up. Oh well. Got me waders on. Yeah, exactly.
We ride all weathers.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby you...
Right, so we've arrived, but we're just sitting in the horse box because it's still pretty much raining. I don't know if you can see it better there. Pretty much raining, so we're just chilling, aren't we? We've decided just to sit here for an hour, although it is getting a bit brighter brighter over there, 20 miles away. The horses are in the back just standing. I don't think they want to get out either. But yeah, so we're going to tack up when it stops. Looking at the skies, not anytime soon. And then, yeah, we're going to get saturated. But you guys will see it on the GoPro anyway. That's if my GoPro lasts in the rain and also don't get water drops on the camera screen. But yes, I'll catch you guys when I'm on the horse. And then back in here when we look completely different. And we've also got this stupid little map on her phone. Look at it. Not even a proper map. So her phone's going to be broken by the end because it's...
Oh, who's having a wee? Seriously? Like there's not enough water around.
That sounded like Lacey, to be honest.
I think it was Lacey.
Nervous way. She thinks we're here and we need to get out. But yeah, we're just going to sit in here for another hour. We're just going to sit in here for another hour and then...
Oh my god, it is actually getting heavier.
Oh god. Right. Lovely. We love riding. Okay, so this is what we're having to deal with. It don't sound so bad when you go. Henry's just attacking her. Oh, it's quieting down now. Cool. The heavens just absolutely opened. We've got to ride in that, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready, Lacey Lou? Oh, we love the rain. Don't you be angry with each other.
Excuse yourself.
Okay, so it has stopped. It's starting to spit again, but she's all tacked up. We're ready to rock and roll. He's just getting tacked up. She's just shaking like normal, but that's normal. I'm going to jump on. Hopefully it stays like that and not absolutely pelt it down again, but as soon as it stopped, we sort of just ran out and was like, quick. I had to tack Lacey up in the horse box, I was going to say Wally, Henry's bridle in the horse box, but I couldn't do his saddle, so that's why she's doing it now. Just over there, and then we're going to jump on and get going before it absolutely pelts it down. Don't think it's going to be a long ride somehow. Stand. Jesus, these stirrups must have been my jumping stirrups. They're short. And plus where you on a ditch as well. Yeah, they're really short. Oh no, I'll tell you who last rode there was Evie. Evie's fault. So if you're watching Evie, it's your bloody fault. I've just struggled getting on. God, what did you do? They're so short. you ever trot? My reins are really slippery. Get on. Get on. Good girl. What are we spooking at? Get on. No, we're having a freak out at the logs at the moment. Don't think they're up for it, are they? Lacey's like, Mother, we don't ride in the rain. Oh. I don't know what that says. I'll just walk, Lacey. Don't think that, does that say trot? Right. Maybe we should do this next time I want to go Bonfleur free of charge.
How much was it to go to Bonfleur?
20 quid.
How much?
20. Right, very rocky, Lace. When we only went in that one field, but apparently there's more. Obviously, because I didn't go in that field there. What? They're doing so nice. That's like kennels or something. Should get a Lacey in there. Handbrake stop. Another one. I'll let you lead, she's better when she... Oh. I said I'll let you lead, she's better following when it's muddy like this. Wait. There we go, that's the canter I want. Jesus! God. Yeah! You squashed it up against the roof. Okay. Thanks for that. Jesus, I was looking at the old apples. Wait. Create some distance, Lace. Ready? We're disunited. Wait. You're disunited. Or to create a bit of distance, and then because I made her wait, and then I said go on then, she exploded, but she was disunited, so I was like, it's a good girlie. Right, sturdy. Work that bum. Come on. Right, Lacey, if you can get any further up his bottom, we won't see your head. Can you get down, please? Because this is the hill we slipped down and I don't like it. Good girl. Just keep walking past Turnip. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Oh, no, don't trot it because you want to get up it quicker. It was sunny 2 minutes ago.
Oh my God.
Oh.
You might have to park under that tree.
Oh, look at the sight of us. Good girl though. Lovely. Over. It's a good girl. Come here for a minute. Stand. Beautiful weather, guys. Hope you're enjoying this vlog as much as I'm enjoying this ride. It's memorable. Let's just say that's a little bit memorable. Lacey's on a mission. She wants to get back to the horse box. She does not like the rain. She's like me. Me and her, two peas in a pod. It rains, we don't ride. So, look at her spiky hair. It's awful. Crazy hair. I'm saturated. I can't wait to change when I get back. Hope you're enjoying it, like I said. Good girlie. Right, steady. Steady, because my reins are really hurry. What are we spooking at? Why are we spooking? Nice. Oh. Good girl. Sorry about that.
Looks good, does it?
It's all on his chin.
I've just said right things. Right, this one. Right.
Yeah?
Is it quite clear along there?
Oh, it's a bit overgrown, but... Lace!
Go a different one that's not overgrown.
Fuck, we're literally going into... We're literally going into apples, Lace. Wait. Wait. Huh. Oh, why do you keep going disunited? Wait, because you're disunited. You're disunited. Now you can go. And we are back. Our little horse box is up there somewhere. Even after thinking that the horse box was elsewhere. Lorraine going, oh look, it's our horse box. It was, I don't know what it was about 5 miles. 5 miles away. But yeah, we were a little bit wet. Lacey's minging. I don't know if that's sweat or water. Oh, we've got a little sheep. Lacey ain't clocked them yet, so that's going to be fun. But yeah, so this was quite a chilled hack, just because. Oh, can you stop putting your handbrakes on, Lace? Chilled hack because the ground wasn't the best, but it'd be quite nice in the summer because these orchard strips are quite long, so they'd be quite nice gallops. Tends to be every time we ride, it rains. Even someone at the yard went, "Are you going out today?" I went, "Yeah." They went, "Oh, yeah, it's raining." Always happens when it's raining. I'm just going to load them back up. Do the usual, really. Henry has to stop and let the lady go first. Either that or he's a wimp. Go have the second one, to be honest. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure you do the usual, like, subscribe, turn on the post notification. I post every Sunday at 6 PM. Hope you're enjoying my channel as much as I'm enjoying editing and videoing and just making sure I'm keeping you all up to date with everything going on. Exciting stuff ahead in the next year or so. So make sure you do what you can. We're going the wrong way. Our horse box is over there and we're going over here. Lacey, love, the horse box is over there. Turn. So yes, we shall see you in look at her at the back, look how small they look. We shall see you in next week's vlog. Goodbye, guys. Lacey says bye. Lorraine says bye, even though she looks like a little midget over there. Bye, guys.
Now I wait for you to say